since the beginning of trading on the market. Surpassing the $20 boundary keeps staying out of reach, and eventually the chart drifts down to new record lows. Despite this overwhelming sell-off, it's still normal to see minor rebounds like what's happening right now. In other words, natural bullish retracement during a downtrend. Now with this Fibonacci retracement applied from record highs to record lows, price has recently risen to this area, which is extra important due to it being part of the IPO price range. In addition to this also being the site of high trading volume around the $10 boundary for quite some time recently. There's also an early yet noticeable incline, which opens up the possibility to use much more than just a simple trend line. For instance, use Fibonacci arcs based on this trend line in the form of full circles. Using this method will demonstrate the approximate identification of an important time range within this important price range, without using tools that have full vertical lines, such as the Fibonacci time zone tool. Like normal, we'll highlight the places where there are intersections with our price range of interest. Specifically, we'll focus on the intersections that define the boundaries of this price range, and not necessarily the ones in the middle. With the approximate time and price range of interest defined, we can apply Fibonacci spirals for an additional layer of analysis. Remember, the spiral is far from a primary form of analysis and quite optional. The aim is to base spirals around the bullish reversal area and have them contact our area of interest, which does not happen in this case, and that's quite normal. We only focus on the spirals that do contact our area of interest. Then we highlight those intersections around the borders of our area of interest, which in this example can approximately narrow down the area in price and time when the uptrend is likely to face increased opposition. Try a few more variations of the spiral. Not all of them will contact our area of interest. It's also possible to get close or even overlapping intersections with different variations for positioning a Fibonacci spiral. Here's a narrower area according to all those Fibonacci spiral intersections. And actually, that was where more significant selling took place, with more neutral to bearish movement. Of course, it won't be super precise, but it's a good approximation. All that was identified with just basic observations and just 3 Fibonacci techniques.